wondered why securing a business loan seems like climbing Mount Everest? Well, it doesn't have to be. With the right steps, it can be more like a walk in the park. Here's how. First, craft a solid business plan. This isn't just a fancy document for the bank. It's your roadmap, guiding you from where you are to where you want to be. So take the time to outline your business goals, strategies, market analysis, and financial projections. Remember, a well-prepared business plan speaks louder than words to your potential lenders. Next, work on improving your credit score. A high credit score can open doors to better loan terms. So pay your bills on time, keep your credit balances low, and regularly check your credit report for errors. It might seem like a long game, but it's a game worth playing. Thirdly, get your financials in order. Lenders want to see your income, expenses, and cash flow. They want to know that you can repay the loan. So get all your financial ducks in a row. Show them your balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and cash flow statements. The clearer your financial picture, the better your chances of getting that loan. Lastly, consider the type of loan you need. There are several types out there: term loans, lines of credit, equipment loans, and more. Understand the pros and cons of each and choose the one that best fits your business needs. So, there you have it. A successful business loan application boils down to these 4 steps: crafting a solid business plan, improving your credit score, presenting clear financials, and choosing the right type of loan. Remember, a business loan is not an end in itself. It's a tool to fuel your business growth. So use these steps as your guide, and you'll be well on your way to securing that much-needed business loan. Happy planning, and here's to your success.